Today on Build with Noah, we're going to be making something I thought up. It's called the 14th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Hope you like it! For the head, you will need these pieces. For the handle, you will need these pieces. I hope you enjoyed making the 14th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. I'm making my mum film this, so please like and subscribe so she has to keep filming. Bye!